Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
History panel, located in the panel grouping at the left side of the Develop module, lets you track image adjustments made to photos. The History panel maintains a record of the date and time that photos were imported into Lightroom Classic CC, as well as whether presets were applied during the import operation. Whenever you make an adjustment to a photo, Lightroom Classic CC saves the adjustment as a state and maintains a list of the photo's various states in chronological order. You can use the History panel to review each saved state. To preview each state of a photo, select a photo in the Develop module and expand the History panel and the Navigator panel. Next, hover your mouse pointer over one or more states listed in the History panel. As you move the cursor over the various states within the History panel, the Navigator panel shows the photo as it appeared in that state. To view the state in the Image Preview area, click the name of the state within the History panel. To copy a single adjustment, display the Before and After view. Click the name of a state within the History panel to see the state displayed in the After photo. Then right-click the name of the state and select the Copy History Step Settings to Before from the pop-up options that appear. Lightroom Classic CC applies the state to the Before photo. Sometimes, after you make many adjustments to a photo, the History panel list of states can become unmanageable. You can click the X-shaped Clear All button at the right side of the History panel header to remove all states from the listing. This will not affect the image settings of the photo. However, if there are states you want to keep within the state list, create snapshots of those states before clearing the state listing from the panel. Creating a snapshot lets you save any state of a photo during the editing process. Snapshots you create are listed alphabetically in the Snapshots panel. To save a state in the History panel as a snapshot, right-click the name of the state within the History panel, then choose the Create Snapshot command. The New Snapshot dialog box then appears on screen. Type a name into the snapshot name text field and then click the Create button. The snapshot is then added to the Snapshots panel. You can also create snapshots as you work in the Develop module. To do this, simply click the plus-shaped Create Snapshot button that appears in the Snapshots panel header at any point while making development adjustments to a photo. Then use the New Snapshot dialog box to name and save the snapshot. Alternatively, you can access the New Snapshot dialog box by selecting Develop, New Snapshot from the menu bar. When you create a snapshot, all of the settings for the current state are recorded. The Snapshots panel works in much the same way as the History panel. You can hover over a snapshot to see that photo state appear in the Navigator panel. You can also click the name of a snapshot within the panel to apply the photo state to the photo in the Image Preview area. To delete a snapshot, click to select the snapshot in the Snapshots panel. Then click the minus-shaped Delete Selected Snapshot button that appears in the panel header. Don't use the Delete key on your keyboard when deleting snapshots, as this deletes the currently selected photo from your Lightroom Classic CC catalog instead.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.